Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash in Portland, Oregon. Hey, I wanted to show you just some randomness of a job that we're setting up. Uh, we are cleaning just the eaves, so it's kind of a partial house wash. Let me show you how we kind of do a partial house wash. I probably won't record why I'm washing, but I'll just take a walk around and show you guys. All right, got my truck parked curbside. I got Tim Fields sandwich board signs. These things really catch attention. Love them. But beyond catching attention, they're for safety. I got my hoses going across the sidewalk. So let's just take a look around here. Got my water in there. Show you guys something on the hose here. It's been working out really well for me. These garden hose banjo fittings. This is the Tractor Supply version of it. But these things make it really easy to screw on the hoses when you guys hook up your hoses. Just that plastic piece, it goes on a lot easier than the the aluminum hose threads there. So all right, let's take a look around. Got my hose all spread out. I do that while I'm filling up my water. Usually I'd be getting my guns and doing other things, but I'm recording a video for y'all. Right now I'm running 150 feet. I like to run 200, but I was running one of them one wire hoses and it burst, so now I'm back to my 2-wire. Probably just gonna stick with 2-wire. So I'll get all the way to the corner here with the 150 feet. If I had 200, I would probably get all the way around the side there. So I would wash, pull my hose out. I'd wash all the way around 3 sides and then finish up with the front and then roll up the hose and be done. But so customer here, they requested to have their eaves cleaned. You guys can see it's just some black spots. Pretty simple stuff. So we'll go ahead and spray a cleaning solution on this and get these cleaned up. But some of you may deal with customers that'll call you and say, hey, I want a partial house wash. And your first response might be, hey, I don't do partial house washes because the soap is going to drain all the way down the siding when you're doing the eaves. That is true. But a customer doesn't always understand our process. So we really got to explain our process. And there'll be somebody like me that says, yeah, I'll do a partial house wash, but make sure you charge accordingly for it. So what I do, I won't go into all my prices here, but this is basically about a 3,000 square foot house. It's 2-story. And I have my price that I charge. So what I do, I just take $100 off that, and that's what I charge for for doing the eaves. Some of you may just charge your full house washing price. If that's the way you do it, go ahead and do it. They ask for partial house washing, just say, yeah, you can do it, and this is my price. If they go for it, then great. But definitely want to be able to take care of situations like this. Yeah, it's easy money, guys. Hey, I hope this is helpful. Just kind of shooting a breeze with you guys today on the job. I rarely get to record. So hey, hope you guys all have a great day. Talk to you soon.